the palette I'm going to use. I'm going to use this color to color my eyelid. Indian friend, YouTube friend, have left a comment on my Korean Indian couple love story video. You remember that? In that video, she told me that actually there's gonna be a movie and drama at the same time gonna be made next year that will launch that video next year about the particular love story of Indian princess and Korean king. And I was really excited because they are actually gonna cast Indian actress as the Indian princess role, and of course like Korean actor for the Korean king. And both the Indian and Korean movie making companies gonna cooperate in order to make that movie and drama. And they're also going to like repair and build some kind of Indian culture museum in Korea next year. I'm so excited. I hope I'll be able to visit there. I think they did not really reveal who's gonna be casted for that particular role yet. But as soon as they decide and like open it and like tell to the public, I'm gonna film a video about that. Like how's that video gonna be look like? Who's gonna be the Korean actor and Indian actress? It's gonna be real fun, right? Today's makeup is just gonna be my daily Korean style makeup. But the point is that I'm going to draw a bindi. That's the difference which makes today's makeup as a Indian makeup. Because like actually like 2 days ago inside the subway I saw an Indian woman and she was drawing a bindi on her forehead, and I thought like, wow, that's gonna be also nice for a daily go-to makeup look even for me, because that really became a really point makeup. Like I know that that is not only for the makeup's sake, but I thought that that's, and I know that there is also some good meanings in bindi. Like there is like particular energy in our body, and the bindi, like if you draw bindi on your forehead, since the like between your eyebrow zone here. So if you draw a bindi on your forehead, that energy will be more concentrated in your body. And that has some good meanings, right? I'm just drawing an eyeline. And I'm just smudging out as I usually do, using the deepest color, the darkest color in this palette. And yeah, I'm just going to draw a bindi after finishing my eyes, so that I'll know which feeling or which like size I should be drawing the bindi, right? So that's it. And my makeup looks like I maybe on my color my under eyes area using this 123 number 2 color. I'll just color my under eyes a little bit just to like make it more larger, more bigger, make my eyes look more bigger than I actually am. That's the power of makeup, right? And is it okay if I draw bindi not only in red but also in different colors? Because most of the bindi I saw on Google, and also the bindi that Indian woman I saw was wearing on, was also the color red, a really deep, dark red. So I'm just wondering if I'll be able to draw a bindi in other colors next time. Today I'm going to draw it in according to the traditional red color. But I also felt like it's also gonna be fine. Oh no, I'm right now drawing using some glitter eyeshadow. I'll just show it to you. What was I talking about? The bindi color. So I was also want to try purple, green, blue color bindis. Also sky blue, because sky blue is my most favorite color. If you see my videos, you'll find out that I'm wearing different t-shirts in the same color, the sky blue. because that's my favorite color. And in the video, like Indian makeup part 1, which you guys really liked the most among my Indian makeup videos on my face, I was also wearing some white dupatta. No, not white, the sky blue dupatta, because that was my favorite color, and I was having that shore for a while, and I just used it for my Indian makeup look. So I'm just finished my eye makeup really quickly. It just took for less than like 5 minutes. It's really quick. Maybe I might also film a video like doing like how I do my makeup after arriving at school. I do it at some like rest zone, like taking break rest area. I do my makeup within like 5 minutes, and it is like just enough for my whole daily life. Cause yeah, maybe I'll film more in the inner corners. Paper color. Yeah, and for the bindi, just a red liquid lipstick. I'm going to apply the red lipstick in the cotton swab a little bit, like this. And with the part that there's no liquid lipstick, that this is already polluted, already used, I'm going to use this one to make the bindi more natural or something. No, not natural, but since this is too much liquidy, too much watery, I'm going to make it more velvety or something. Like this. And with my hair bang, this is just a really natural point for my makeup look. Because the bindi I saw in the subway, the Indian woman was doing a kind of like really burgundy type red color, and this is too much like bright red, so I'm just going to color my bindi a little bit with this brown color to make it a little bit darker, more bindi like. So maybe a little bit color this, yeah, maybe like this, more natural. I think like this is better. So applied a bindi. And if I get rid of my hair bang, it looks like this. Just like this. Like this. And maybe I'll do my makeup. And if I am to do a bindi, I'll just go out like right like this, because I like my bindi today. Is it like too big or too small? Just tell me guys if I am doing it right. Super duper pinkish blush. Colors like super duper pinkish blush. Super duper pink, right? Really an honest pink color. Really honest. It really looks exactly the same. Just using my fingers. Just I'm going to use my fingers when I draw this, when I use this. Because that's just enough. I don't really need. You just apply a little bit, and with the clean finger, just smudge it out like this. So you don't really, I think like if you're just going to do your daily makeup look rather than a really pointed, really delicate makeup, you don't really need your blush brush. Even without your blush brush, I mean, you can do a nice makeup look. A little bit more. As you guys know, I really like doing my blush. So sometimes I get too much blush on my face, and apply the leftovers on your nose and your chins too. And after that, finally, I'm going to apply my lipstick, and that's to finish. That's the end of our today's makeup. I'm going to apply a base lipstick only in the outer parts of my lips. Only in the outer part, like this. Only in the outer parts, like this. And with a clean finger, just smudge it out, the outer line, which helps your lips look more like more volumed, more glamorous. So just smudge it out a little bit like this. And your inner part of your lips should be left just naked. This really pinkish color. This color. Okay, this is the perfect color. This color tint. And the color shade is Hyogyang. And in the inner part, I'm going to apply this reddish lipstick. Like this. Just do a mum. Just like this. Like see. So it looks naturally gradated. Just like this. This is the end of our today's makeup. Actually, are you surprised that it was too quick and simple? I just finished doing my makeup. I drew my bindi. See that? And if I do my hair bang like this, I also like this style. And if I walk outside, my bang will become like this, which makes my bindi more visible. So when I go out, I just do my bang like this, and anyways it will turn out to be like this, which reveals my bindi more like outstandingly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is the end of our today's video, and hope you guys have a great weekend. So see you in the next video. Bye!